What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Tampa area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in Tampa. So we are now in Tampa, here in Florida, and the best Jamaican patty shop or bakery in Tampa is Golden Crust. That's right, Golden Crust. And you know, Golden Crust seems to be the big winner tonight. They are just...
They're providing some real nice Caribbean food.
And where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries in Tampa? It is Caribbean Trade. And the best Jamaican local restaurant, Jerk Hut, Island Grill, and Beach Club. Congratulations to Jerk Hut. And the best Jamaican Caribbean annual event you missed during COVID-19, it's Reggae Rise Up Florida Festival. That is in Tampa.